Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to get started with Notion. Getting started with Notion is easy. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the official Notion website at www.notion.so using your web browser. Step 2. On the website, you will see download options for different platforms. Choose the option that matches your device, like download for Windows or download for Mac. Step 3. After downloading, locate the file and double-click on it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of Notion on your device. Step 4. Once installed, open the Notion app. If you have a Notion account, sign in using your credentials. If not, click on Sign Up to create a new account. Step 5. Once signed in, you are ready to go. Start using Notion to organize your notes, documents, and projects. That's it. You have successfully downloaded, installed, and started using Notion. Enjoy its powerful features for enhancing your productivity and organization. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.